bike? Where's my bike? I left it right here. It's gone. Someone stole my bike.
How could this have happened to me? Who could have done this? Was it the government? Is the universe punishing me for reasons outside of my control? Possessions, they're fleeting, like tears in the rain.
I don't mean to interrupt this existential crisis, but I hope you all realize you can just lock it up. It's never a good idea to leave your bike unattended. After all, it's a hot commodity. When taking your bike out, never leave without a lock. Most common are these, U-locks. Another great option are cable locks. Just make sure they're double layered. Too thin and they can be cut. Many public places will have safe racks for locking your bike onto. But any solid, fixed object in a busy, well-lit place that's public property works just as well. Just make sure to never use anything too loosely secured to the ground, or something short enough that your bike and the lock could be lifted out of. Traffic signs are also out of bounds, as the city or town may need to remove it without warning. When using your lock, the most important part is to attach the body of the bike to the rack or post. For extra security, run the lock simultaneously through the rear tire, or even double it up. Don't forget to take lights and bags, or anything that pops off easily. Give the bike a shake to double check everything is attached to the rack, and you can rest easy. And never leave the key behind. Don't forget, always cycle safe and ride to thrive.
Who am I? What am I? What is life?